shining stars, welcome back to my channel Seraphic Star Life. This is the birthday message video, and a very happy birthday to all who have their birthdays today on 23rd July. Do share it with your friends, family and loved ones. If it's not your birthday today, please make sure that you are sharing this message with the ones who have their birthdays today if you know them. Before I tell the energy of upcoming year using the fairy tarot cards, let's quickly talk about your personality number and lucky crystals. So based on your date of birth, your personality number is 5. Your personality number is derived from the date, your birth dates. So 23 adds up to 5, and people who have their personality number as 5, their ruling planet is Mercury. Number 5 people are upbeat, optimistic, have excellent communication skills, love their freedom, be it in relationships or at workplace, and are also very adventurous. Number 5 people love to have fun even when they are working. Now, the lucky crystals for people born on 23rd July are citrine, carnelian, or you can even go for tiger's eye. If you would like to know more about yourself and your destiny number, you can connect and take a personal numerology session. My Instagram handle is mentioned in the description box below. Now, let's just see what energy and guidance the fairies have for your upcoming year. Okay. So, I think the most beautiful card, the sun, for the first 6 months. The energy is going to be like the sun card. So the birthday spread here goes like the first card here is representing the energy of the first 6 months, the upcoming 6 months, and the first card that you have for your first upcoming 6 months is the sun, and it's beautiful. And like I always say, the sun card is the most optimistic card of the deck. The energy of this card would be slow initially, but eventually I feel that you will realize the upcoming 6 months would be full of fun, joy, good health, and all the happy things. You people should count your blessings. This card also shows abundance in all forms. So good luck, guys. Celebrate the good in your life. No matter how much is there, just be grateful for it. The advice here would be to share this abundance coming your way, the abundance that is coming your way, which is already there. You just need to acknowledge it and just be grateful for it. The advice is to share this abundance with others around you. There's plenty, there is enough to go around for you. The more you share, the more you receive back from the universe. Always remember this. Also, this card advises you to nurture your inner child. Try to focus on the sunny side of the life and have fun in life. Make sure to make the most of these upcoming joys and happy months. So that is what the energy of the first card tells me about. Now, the second card here is representing your strengths and lessons for the year. So what is it that you are going to learn in this upcoming year? Because it's very important for us to learn, because that's how we grow and evolve in our life experiences. So okay, this also reminds me that 7 is also your personal year number for all of you who are born on 23rd July. I would advise you to not go for business expansions if you are into business. So please do not go for business expansions or avoid taking risk in business till December 2020. Starting February 2021 onwards, some of you may have your heads in the cloud or may feel confused, not knowing what to choose and what to let go. It's like being caught in a wishful thinking. The guidance is to not rush and make hasty decisions. Be careful what you wish for, as not everything is as it seems to be. You may need to make the choices, but in doing so, you must go beyond your illusion and attractions and instead focus on what's right for you. Also, I feel you may have a lot of great ideas, but those won't be grounded in reality. So your plans might sound fabulous in your imagination, but when it comes to implementing them, you may realize they do not work in the real world. Make sure you do not spend all your time wishing and not doing the work. And if that happens, then choose one thing and make it happen. This card is telling you to, just take the action. Do not just stay in your thinking and imagining and daydreaming. The third card here represents the ultimate potential. I feel you are going to learn a lesson from the Seven of Summer card, and you would know when to walk away. You would finally realize, completing your journey from Seven of Summer to Eight of Summer, that whatever options that were available were only giving you confusions and were not actually taking you anywhere in life. Or it could be also that some of you may feel that you may feel compelled to walk away from a disappointing situation. It could mean some of you just walk away from unfulfilling relationship, job, career path, or creative project that was once you thought that it is a great source of happiness to you, but now it is only bringing pain into your life. Like I said, with Seven of Summer, that whatever it is, it's not true and it's not as it seems to be. So it feels like that some of you may finally realize it and would definitely make a decision to move on and make different choices in life that you have never taken before. Also, I think some of you may have a feeling that something is missing in life, particularly on an emotional or spiritual level, and instead of waiting around for things to get better, you know that now you need to leave that unfulfilling situation. It may not make sense to others, but you know that now it's not serving for your highest good, and it's time for you to let it go and move on. This is one of those times where you feel to look for wholeness or meaningful purpose in life. It will be a time to move on to new things. To me, it also looks like most of you would be thinking of going in a new direction in your journey, like I said before. Stars wishing you all a very happy and blessed birthday, full of happiness, peace, joy, love, success, good health in abundance. If you would like to take a personal tarot reading session, then you can connect to me through my Instagram handle mentioned in the description box below. Please do remember to share this video with your family, friends and loved ones. Thank you so much for watching the video, and also do share your birthdays in the comment box below. Thank you so much once again. Namaste.